Congratulations and welcome to the Contrex family and find our crafted cycles. Simply a new bicycle. Begin with unpacking the box. The required tools of install are hex or Allen wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, and number 15 open-end wrench. These simple tools are also included in the bicycle box. Step 1. Assemble the front wheel. Take apart axle assembly by unscrewing the nut, put the fork onto the axle followed by the nuts, and tighten using your number 15 wrench. Step 2. Assemble the handlebar. Using the hex Allen wrench, unscrew the bolts on the stem and remove the stem cover. Place the handlebar onto the stem and screw the stem cover back onto the bike, holding the handlebar in place. When tightening the stem screw, alternate tightening them in a diagonal fashion for a proper fit. Step 3. Assemble the saddle seat. Place the saddle assembly into the seat tube on the bike. Adjust the seat height and position for the right comfort and tightening in the place. Step 4. Assemble the pedals. Place the correct pedals marked L or R onto the crank arm and rotate them using the open-end wrench until tight. For the left pedal, rotate with anti-clockwise. For the right pedal, rotate with clockwise to tighten. Don't forget to install the reflectors and kickstand, and we hope you're safe when riding at the land. Contrex are bicycles finally created for cyclists just like you, and we welcome you to our Contrex family cycles and cycling products. And always remember to ride safely.